Okay, let's see here. Uh, let's get the stream going. So, let's see. We're gonna start off with I don't know where this is from. I think this is the Near Academy. No, maybe no. Okay, we just did the Meme Museum. It took longer than 45 minutes, but mm, uh, Near 101. No, we got it somewhere. We got it from somewhere. Uh, Fellowship. Oh, was it here? I don't know. We should do one of these two. Anyways, uh, this is a 5 course developer class or something, and it goes day 1, 2, 3. Oops, reopen 4, 5. So, um, let's see. Okay, some so this day 1. Sometimes people aren't sure how to complete this activity. These tips may help. Consider that this is better to read many times quickly and not just one time slowly. How to survey, yeah. How to figure out how to get uh, to the contract code, then move to quickly read the code. You want to see as much as you can. Ask yourself about the purpose of the contract. Why is it in the code? What is it? Assembly script contracts are files and end in .ts. Uh, Rust contracts are always in lib.rs. Yeah, so I did some homework yesterday, and I was reading on Rust, and so I think Rust uses cargo, which I have cargo, but it's also compiled with Rust C, is which I have both, and so um, uh, yeah, so we'll figure it out for sure. Let's see. So we watched the orientation. In the resource section below, choose assembly script or Rust. Okay, cool. And 0, clone the starter repository for your language of choice in the following. Rust is still under development. That's fine. Let's see, what else? The more you read, the better, so keep going. If you can't remember, focus on reading and avoid the temptation to build and run everything along the way because it's a distraction. At this point, you can build and run everything tomorrow. Read all the contracts for your language of choice, not just 3. Read all the contracts from the other language as well. Check out these little puzzles. They may be fun. Scavenger hunt challenge 1 and 2. Okay. Going deeper. Read all the core contracts and watch live contract review video. Review Ilia's contract repo. Review the Rainbow Hackathon contract submission. Let's see. For a day's activity, you do not need to build and test these contracts. You don't need to understand every line of code. You should simply read through the contracts as if you're looking at art or listening to some music without worrying about every dot or note. Yeah, okay. So let's do that. Let's quickly go through it. I guess we should do both. So let's see. Core activities, bonus activities. Okay, we'll go through the core activities first. Remind me later. Okay, so Sputnik DAO. DAO. I always forget what decentralized autonomous organization. Yeah, so it's like a financial thing. Yeah, either way. Okay. Yep. And that. All right. So assembly. All right. Index.ts. Let's see. So we import some libraries. We import local types, and then these are local models. And then here's a constant. Max descriptor length is int. This is set to 280. DAO. This is using Sputnik, I guess. Yeah. So export function init purpose string. This init object. Let concise persistent set account ID. So you make a new account. You set a new account ID, I guess. And then here, I is equal to 0. While I is less than console.length, console set dot add console I plus plus. What's console? Council? Is it council some sort of an array of numbers, I guess? I don't know. Persistent vector proposal. So, yeah, okay. So here's the Sputnik object. Return DAO. Okay. Add proposal. So here's our first function. So this is just to initialize the account and the DAO and Sputnik. And here you can add a proposal, which looks like maybe requires a balance, a vote period, a bond, balance. Not enough to deposit. Description length is too long. And then here's the verification. Last item in policy must have a numerator for the ratio. Last item in policy must denominator not equal to 0. Last item in policy must be equal to or above 1/2 ratio. Okay. Here's a proposal. Requires that stuff. Functions finalized. So this returns the status as long as the vote and the status. As long as it's not a vote and the status doesn't equal the status dot delay. Okay, I don't know what these values could possibly be, so I don't know how they would equal. Only council can vote, no proposal with such ID. These assertions make it a bit easier to write. I wish there were some like comments in here or something. This is kind of boring, honestly. Vote requirement, vote status, get amount, compute new vote status given council size and current timestamp. Okay, finalize. And then you finalize your vote. Let's see. And then here's some view functions. Get vote period. It's almost like setters and getters from like Java or something. Okay. Link drop. Let's look at the Rust version of this Sputnik. Oh, it doesn't exist. Link drop. Are these the same? No. Multi-sig. This contract provides a multi-sig scheme that allows making transfers, calling functions, and adding removing keys. The purpose of this contract is to maintain the whitelist of the staking pool. Boring. Honestly, I'm not as interested in these sorts of money type of apps. I don't understand the financial stuff very well. I mean, I get staking, but I don't know. I feel like I like stuff like this, crypto quirkies. That's fun. Maybe I'm just basic, but I just don't, you know, crypto's already so volatile, and I've made money in crypto, so it's like I feel like you make a lot of money just holding it and then selling it. Like, why would you care about staking? And I get it, it's not about today, but at the same time it kind of is about today. So um, staking just is not very exciting for me. Let's see. Repository includes NFT implementation and Rust and assembly script. Link drop contract allows you to create a link that their friends can use to claim tokens even if they don't have an account yet. That's cool. That's really cool. So you could invite them to Near and be like, yo, here's a gift. And I'll set up their account and stuff for them. That's what you need to invite your mother-in-law or grandma to Near something. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah. Creates a new key pair, calls link drop, sends a link to support wallet app with private key 1 as part of URL. Oh, I don't know about that. That sounds dangerous, because receives link to, if it's in the URL, you're giving too much away, I feel like, but that's just me. I don't think that's safe. What do I know? This repo includes, let's see how this is implemented. Let's see. librs. Simple. Access key allowance for link drop keys. Okay. On create account callback gas. These gas numbers are so large, it scares me. No deposit. Okay. Yeah. It's callback after plain access, after plain account creation. On account create a mutable self. Okay. Predecessor account ID. What? Oh, predecessor. Okay. Yeah. Predecessor account ID. Account ID amount. Okay. On account create and claimed self amount. Contract expected result on a callback. Yeah. It allows given public key to claims. Sent balance. Takes access key allow. Says fee from deposit to cover account creation via an access key. I think if I remember, 0.1 Near is the cost for Or I guess it's the minimum. Oh, I don't know how much the fee is. Anyways, I haven't made a second wallet yet. Let me see. Here. Wallet.near. My account's still 0 after I unstaked. Oops. Okay, I should have kept some because I can buy stuff with it. Claim assert equal env. Claim only can come from this account. Assert is valid ID, invalid account ID. Create an account and claim tokens to it. Create account and claim only can come from this account. Current ID. Assert equals, doesn't equal. Assert doesn't equal. Let amount equals self dot accounts dot remove signer account PK unexpected private key promise new account ID create account add full access keys transfer amount then self on account created and claimed. Well, that's good. This kind of reminds me of JavaScript, this dot then. This is nice. See, I think I would like to learn Rust. Now this public function stuff. Okay, and then here's like a pointer function, or you can, oh, I don't really recognize this syntax. I guess it's still part of this function. But anyways, you just pass these variables to this promise. It seems like, yeah. Either way. So this is create new account without link drop and deposit and passes funds used for creating sub accounts directly. Okay, cool. Call after executing create account on account create. So when you create the account, you pass this, you make it mutable, whatever. I don't know if you have to make the function mutable, or, and then I guess this says that you want a boolean true false, and then this is, you do this, and if it's succeeded then it's true, or if it doesn't it's false. Promise success, creation success. Call back after execution, create account and claim. I mean, this seems useful. And then I guess these are like the getters again, you know, for like viewing. And yeah, self.context block index. And I'm surprised like these don't take gas or anything like that. And then here's the NFT. This is a bit bigger. Opening Gitpod. Oh, no. I wonder if anyone has like an NFT website that's based off this code. Excuse me. It's funny they made a bash script for this. Okay. Um, this is weird. They don't have like a source file. Oh. Okay. It's in this NFT folder. Wow, this is really compact. I'm surprised. And it's just like the calls. With JSON serialization. No, the maximum balance value is 2 to the 128 minus 1. That's kind of funny. I mean, is that has to be more than like the number of near, right? Like what's coin market cap? Let's see. Near has this is the circulating value. Okay, and then right, to the 128 is a lot. More than that, I think. So I don't know. I don't know why they did that. Oh, because it's a U128. I don't know if this is something you have to think about that much, but probably not. You should pass U128 as a base 10 string. Okay. Contract optimizes the inner try structure by hashing account IDs, so will prevent some abuse of deep tries. Shouldn't be an issue once Near client implements full hashing of keys. Oh, I didn't know Near client hasn't implemented full hashing of keys. Yeah, that makes sense. Because maybe you don't want to take the key. Maybe it's like, you use it like a salt where you store the salted hash, but you never store the hash. In storage before and after the call, if the storage increases, the contract requires the caller of the contract to attach enough deposit to the function call to cover the storage costs. This is done to prevent a denial of service attack on the contract by taking all available storage. If the storage decreases, the contract will issue a refund for the costs of the released storage. The unused tokens from the attached deposit are also refunded, so it's safe to attach more deposit than require. To prevent the deployed contract from being modified or deleted, it should not have any access keys on its account. Okay. Interesting. I don't know why is... Okay. So, Near contract standard non-fungible token metadata. Ooh. There's a NFT library in the... Yeah. And then the SDK, he's using the Near SDK. Lazy option. That's what I like to see. Account ID. Yeah. I guess promise or value. I wonder if that's like promises, like an async task or something. Probably. I mean, it makes sense because you're waiting for the network so often that, yeah, you probably need everything to be async or it'll just take forever. I'm not excited for this. What the heck is that? Ugh. Ugh, that's gross. I don't want this. I don't want anything like this. What is this? Storage, non-fungible token. Contract. Initialize the contract owned by the owner ID with default metadata. New default metadata. New metadata. New. This is another, implement contract. Oh, is this like init? Payable. Mint a new token with ID, token ID belonging to receiver ID. Since the example implements metadata, it also requires per token metadata to be provided in this call, self-token mint. Near bindgen. This is test approve, test revoked, test revoke all. This is such a small amount of code. Resources contains WASM files. Token receiver. Here's more source. Test sim. Oh, here's the main. Oh, wow. That's very small. Test approvals. It's weird. I wonder why they split it up like this. Anyways. Staking pools. Sunny out. It's getting sunny. Let's turn my lights off. Sorry, 1 sec. Let me turn the lights off. I don't know how helpful that would be, reading that was for anyone. Maybe it's not as sunny as it was. Okay, anyways. Let's look at something cool. Draw with pixels. Your pixels earn you more pixels, so better artists get more pixels to draw. Interesting. Counter. This contract implements simple counter backed by storage on blockchain. Voting app. Near collection examples. This repository serves to demonstrate differences in gas consumption when storing or retrieving data from the Near blockchain using Rust collection methods found in the Near SDK-RS. A lockup. Let's see. I mean, it was fun. Let's see. Here's the scavenger hunt. I forgot about this. What are the combinations of front-end tech and contract coding available using Create Near app? Okay, let's do this. Seems simple enough. I'm gonna close that. Who's building here? Get started. Mint and annotate. Build an app. Basic. It's not as bad as you think. Yeah, I have Rust installed already. Smart contracts compile to WebAssembly. And we'll add the toolchain for Rust. Rust up target add. Okay, let's do that. Okay. How do I forget how, see, they kind of skipped a little bit. Rust, cargo build app. Did they, cargo build? No, I don't want to build. I want to generate an app. Cargo, general commands, cargo, build commands, manifest package commands, publishing commands. Create a new package that builds an executable. I don't know. Maybe I do cargo new near crossword. CD near. Oh my god. Near cross dar. Cool. Yeah, that's what I need to do. So, yeah, cargo new. And then let's go back to here, which there's a basic repository that's helpful to clone. I mean, we can look at that. Smart contract template. Oh, that's why he has these bash scripts. That's funny. I mean, okay. So I'll just git clone. Okay. CD plus. Why am I doing that? I guess I'll just open the folder. Where's Rust template? Rust template. Okay. That's fine. And then you just edit the cargo. Oh. I guess. I don't know why whatever. I mean, okay. So this says 3.1, but let's just like near SDK. What version is this? Create IOs. Build failing. Release. Okay, so 3.1 is the latest release. And then they have like this 4.0 crate. So I guess, I don't know. We'll just go with that. And then, yeah, so we'll change this, we'll do what it says. We'll change this to my crossword. Okay, and then authors, near friend. And then here I'll do my moniker, Hawk Dong at potentiallyunwanted.com. Yeah, edition 2022. Man, this is so long ago. By changing the name, we'll be changing the compile WASM file's name. By running the build script, after running the build script, you can expect to find our compiled WASM smart contract. Okay. Now let's look at our main file. Okay. Let's just save this. Did I save my cargo file? Yeah? I don't know. Here we go. Okay. Borscht. Deserialize. Borscht. Serialize. Set up contract state. Add contract methods here. The rest of this file, set up unit tests. To run these, the command will be cargo test. So, and these are unit tests. Cool. You can see that this is a stub that's ready to fill in. Let's pause and point out a few items. Note, the near bindgen macro is above the struct and the implement. I guess this is the struct. Yeah, near bindgen. Yes, this is, wait, I thought macros ended in exclamation point. Like in Rust, I think print line is a macro. But anyways, here's the main struct called contract. Well, the other example, it might be counter or something else. This is purely stylistic. You may learn more from the link in the previous bullet. Okay. Let's close this since we have it. Near bind gen macro is used on a struct and the function implementation to generate the necessary code to be valid near contract and expose the intended functions to be able to be called externally. For example, on a simple counter contract, the macro will be applied as such. Okay. And then, okay, yeah. I mean, it's exactly the same. Plus 1. Okay. In this example, counter struct represents the smart contract state. And anything that implements Borscht serialize and Borscht deserialize can be included even collections, which will be covered in the next section. Whether a function is called, the state will be loaded and deserialized, so it's important to keep this amount of data loaded as minimal as possible. Okay. Near bindgen also annotates implement for counter, and then will generate a necessary boilerplate to expose the functions, the core interactions that are important to keep in mind. Any function, any public function will be called externally and from any account contract, public methods. Is this the same document? Near SDK.io. What's this? Gangster structure of contract. Okay. And then way at the bottom is 0 to hero tutorial. Okay. I mean, I guess that's alphabetical. It's alphabetical. Well, no, it's not. I don't know. Best practices. So, anyways, I think we'll go through that. You may notice the word Borscht and wonder what that means. This is a binary serializer. Eventually, we'll want to save data to ones and zeros to validators' hard drives, and to do that efficiently, we use Borscht for this. Okay. Borscht. Example. Okay, what does Borscht do? Borscht stands for Binary Object Representation Serializer for hashing. It's meant to be used in security critical projects as it prioritizes consistency, safety, speed, and comes with a strict specification. It optimizes for the following qualities in the decreasing priority. So, consistency means that there's a bijective mapping between objects and their binary representation. There's no two binary representations that deserialize into the same object. This is extremely useful for applications that use binary representation to compute hash. In Borscht implementations use safe coding practices. In Rust, Borscht uses almost only safe code, with one exception to avoid exhaustion attack. Borscht comes from a full specification that can be used for implementations in other languages. In Rust, Borscht achieves high performance by opting out from CerD. Okay. It's fine. Use Borscht. And then you pass it the struct that has x, y. X is int, 64-bit int, and y is a string, and then here you let you assign these values to the struct A, yeah, and then you encode a dot try to vec unwrap, and then you decode A. Okay, assert A, decode A. Okay, seems simple enough. Okay. Next, alter the smart contract. Okay. let's see. Add a const, a field, and a function. Well, we'll just set up this too. So here it looks like, oh, they added puzzle number. Okay. So we're going to number our puzzles, const, puzzle, number, and then that's a U8, and that equals 1. Okay. And then here we got a solution, crossword solution is a string. Okay. I hate these trailing commas. You do that in JavaScript too. It bugs me. And then here in the contract, you have a public function get puzzle number, and you pass self, and you get a int, which is the puzzle number. In this case, it will be 1. Okay. And then there's another function, I guess. Pub function set solution, and this is mutable. Solution string, and then I assume there's a curly brace, and that's self dot crossword solution is equal to the solution. Good. Yep. And then here we got pub function guess solution, and that's also mutable self solution string. And then is there anything else you pass? Nope. Okay. Yeah. And that goes, oops, no. And that goes if solution equals the self dot solution. We're just gonna env log string. That's the solution. No. Congrats. You solved the puzzle. The crossword. Exclamation point. Yeah. And then else. I feel like maybe you shouldn't use else, but I read an article the other day about why you shouldn't use else. Try again. You know, it's probably, I think it's better to do like if solution does not equal self. Okay. We've done a few things here. We set a puzzle number, which will always be 1. We add the field crossword solution to our main struct. Yeah. Implement 3 functions. One that's view only, and 2 that have mutable meaning they have the ability to change state. Oh, okay. Use logging, which requires the import of env from our SDK. Oh, that's part of the Near SDK. But we're not importing env. Oh, you know what? I should import env. See, that's why it's good to read. I like reading stuff. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Before moving on, let's talk about these changes and how to think about them, beginning with constant. Okay. Yeah. This is an in-memory value, meaning that when the smart contract is spun up and executed in the virtual machine, the value 1 is contained in the contract code. This differs from the next change, where a field is added to the struct containing the near bindgen macro. The field crossword solution has the type of string, and like other fields added to the struct, the value will live in persistent storage. Okay. With near storage is paid for via the native near token. It's not state rent, but storage staking. Paid once and returned when storage is deleted. This helps incentivize users to keep their state clean, allowing for more healthy chain. Read more about storage staking here. Oh, interesting. So on every virtual machine, you have persistent storage, and you stake your near in order to keep that storage. And when you're done, you unstake it and take your money back, and it disappears. That's interesting. That's really interesting. I haven't experienced that yet. I haven't had to stake my near for storage. Anyways, let's look at these new functions. So I'm saving the string in storage. Let's now look at the 3 new functions. Puzzle name, number. Hold on guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So let's look at these three new functions. So get puzzle number. As covered in the mutability section of these docs, a view-only function will have open parentheses around self, while change methods or mutable functions will have and mute self. In the function above, the puzzle number is returned. A user may call this method using the proper RPC endpoint without signing any transactions. It's read-only. Think of it like a GET request, but using RPC endpoints that are documented here. Mutable functions, on the other hand, require a signed transaction. The first example is a typical approach where the user supplies a parameter that's assigned to the field. Next time the smart contract is called, the contract field crossword solution will have changed. The second example is provided for demonstration purposes. Notice how we're not saying anything to state and only logging. Why does this need to be mutable? Well, logging is ultimately captured inside blocks added to the blockchain. More accurately, transactions are contained in chunks and chunks are contained in blocks. More info on Nomicon spec. So while it's not changing the data in the field of the struct, it does cost some amount of gas to log, requiring a signed transaction by an account that pays for this gas. Okay. How to deploy contract on Near. Build contract, create sub-account, or delete and recreate it. Deploy to sub-account, interact. Build the contract. The skeleton of the Rust contract we copied from the previous section has a, so I will execute that. I think on Windows it's build .bat dot is not, we'll just, I think I failed to parse manifest that. Oh, parse the addition key. Did I do this wrong? The addition. What the heck? This wasn't all screwed up before. Hold on a sec. What did this look like? Oh my god. Where's the... Why is this all jacked now? Okay. Hold on. Let me just open this. Okay. The heck? Why is this all messed up? Okay, hold on a second. We'll do this. Paste. It's still messed up. No. I don't know why this is like this now. Hold on. 2022. I mean, this looks right. I don't see any weird stuff. What does this error say? parse the addition key caused by this. This version of Cargo is older than the 2022 edition. It only supports... Oh. Well, okay, so this these red lines are caused by something else. It's just one problem. What is the problem? Tell me. Where this does not help Microsoft. MS whatever. Blocking. Waiting for file lock on package. Okay. I should have just read the rest of that error instead of trying to fix it. Okay. So, yeah. Create a sub account. If you follow the previous section, you have the near CLI. Yeah. This makes it easy and quick to. So it is possible to have the account another crossword friend testnet, but this account must be created by crossword friend testnet. Yeah. Friend testnet cannot create another. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. This art doesn't make much sense now, does it? Why is there two of them? Anyways, error found in env. Cannot find function log string logster in env. Yeah, that's funny. I mean, they just told me that log string is an env. They literally say it here. Use logging, which requires the import of env. And I have env. That is here. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. This is not here. No quick fix. That is weird. Okay. What do you have? Log? I can log okay, maybe they just changed it to log. Congrats. You solved the crossword. Save. Yeah. Alright. Now let's build again. Ooh. It doesn't like that. And unclose delimiter. Oh. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. You want me to close this? Here. Oh, 1 sec. Sorry about that. It doesn't like this. So, yeah, I need to give, so, and then log stir is not a thing. So I guess let's reference the, wait, what is this? Oh, it's the RPC stuff. Okay. And then maybe we can, you should probably look at the near SDK RS. Let's just Google it. Near SDK inv inv log stir. Yeah. So here's this. It doesn't have. Does it say anything about log stir? I don't know. Let's Control F. Log stir. Change in symmetric. Changes symmetric to log stir. And pre one. So they log is deprecated in favor of log stir. The log assumes that the bytes are FT8, so this will be cleaner. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So we do have to use the pre-release to get the log stir feature. So let's just do that. We'll use the latest pre-release. Are they on pre-release 7? Okay. Yeah. And near SDK used to be called near bindgen, which this is this. Okay. Yeah. So we'll str, and then here in this cargo we'll just use that. And this is obviously wrong, so we'll do that. And then this is fine now, so we'll save that, and then we'll build it. Edition 2021 is required. Okay. Caused by feature, cargo features to enable this feature. Okay. Cargo toml. Cargo features? I don't see that. I hate that it makes it all an error. Where do I put this? Tac. Okay, this cargo does not support nightly features, but if you switch to nightly channel, you can add. Copy. System cannot find the files specified. Profile release. opt into extra safety. Overflow checks true. Cargo features. I guess I'll just put it there. Should be fine. No, it's not fine. What if I put it here in the package? I think that makes sense, right? Cargo features was found in the long location. It should be set at the top of the tom. Did it say that before? No, it didn't. Okay. The top of the cargo dot top before any tables. Oh. Okay. I guess those are called tables. Okay. Just put it here, like that. And then we'll run. Oop. Cargo features addition is required for nightly version. Okay. So what does it say here? This said that it should be set at the top before any tables. Okay. You know what? Let's just Google it again. Yeah, let's just use DuckDuckGo. Yeah, here we go. I don't know. Okay, so maybe we have to update our cargo update. Yeah, let's just cargo update. How do I update cargo? Cargo hyphen update. Cargo update. Cargo update. In the cargo lock. Let's look at cargo version and see what the latest version of cargo is. Yep. Okay. And then how do I update cargo? I don't know. Let's just yeah. Let's just install cargo again. Cannot. Okay. So that didn't work. How? Okay. Cargo latest version. Let's see. This is 154. Rust. Lastus latest. scientist. Oh, 5.6. I mean, that's pretty up to date. So stabilizes. Okay, Rust update stable. There we go. Rust update stable. Yeah, to stay on the stable release. Rust 2021 edition. Nice. So we're updating to the latest version of Rust. Checking, that's the same error I got before. That's not good. Cannot delete temp file. Okay. I suspect I need admin. So I will run it as admin. Run as admin. Yes. And then I will Rust cargo update. Wait, I already forgot. Rust update stable. Update stable. Oh, it already couldn't do it. I wonder why that is. Is it because I'm Windows 10 or Windows 11? Yep, this is known with Windows. It's always best to ensure that you don't have any IDEs or other things which might... Oh, okay. Let's close this too then. And then let's try again. Oh, yeah. Cool. So you just can't have your IDE open while you do that. Okay. And then here I can run. Oh no. Well, I don't want to run as admin anyway. So we'll cd into my Rust template. Temp. Oh, is it? It's hyphen, not underscore template. And then we will run the build bat. Ooh, it's working now. Okay, yeah. So, we figured it out. Okay, now back to the this thing. Okay, so this happens in version 4.1 4.0.0 pre 1. So if yours gives you an error, that's this, or it gives you this X and you click 3.1, you're not going to have access to log string. And if you're going to use log, you have to make sure the string is a UTF-8. So that's fun. Okay. So I have it's been built. Okay. Now I can near create account. Well, let's do near login. And then I'll log in with this, then it's Qualcomm dot testnet. Okay. So I'm logged in there. Ew, I have too many windows. Okay. Okay. Qualcomm dot testnet. I want to put like at testnet. But anyways, near create account crossword dot Qualcomm dot testnet master account. I don't know why you have to put the master account if the only account that can create the sub account is the one above it. But anyways, yeah, I did mean create account. Thank you. I put 2 E's in here. Saving keys. And this JSON file on my... Okay. Cool. I created a sub... okay. So we're ready to deploy a smart contract. So I can do near state crossword dot Qualcomm dot testnet. And that's fun. There. That's a lot of money. That's weird. So it's like okay, so maybe it does matter if how much that you can only have 2 to the 128. No, that's not nearly that long though. That's a lot of money. Okay. Note the code hash here is all 1, but that's not a near. That's like 6 near, right? Like that's every denomination without the dot or something. Anyways, let's deploy my contract. Note the code hash. Here it's all 1s. This indicates that there's no contract deployed to this. Okay, cool. So after, so near deploy crossword dot Qualcomm dot testnet WASM file, and then it's in res splash. I don't know what the directory is. Hold on a second. Oh, it is cd res dir. So, yep. Let's just start this over. Deploy crossword dot Qualcomm dot testnet wasm file res bash my I'm already in that folder, so I'm just going to do my crossword dot wasm. Cool. And it's deploying, and it deployed, and now I can do near state crossword dot Qualcomm dot testnet, and the code hash isn't all 1s anymore, which means that a contract is deployed. Okay, and now I can call this view only friend dot testnet get puzzle number, and it says is not found Okay. Um, oh, you know what? I put friend one. Yeah. Cool. Awesome. I get one called back. That's cool. Okay. Near call crossword friend testnet set solution. Oh yeah. Sure, I'll do that. Is this so? I already forgot what I'm setting, but the solution is a string. Um. Oh yeah, this is a string. I don't know. I guess it's kind of like an object. Oh wait, solution string. Okay, sure. Yeah, let's give it a try. Let's just try it. See what happens. So, near call crossword dot dot testnet set solution quote. I hate these JSON objects. Solution. Let's do the same. Num econ ref finance, and then yeah, and then what's he do? Oh yeah, account ID. Okay, that's kind of interesting. You have to do the account ID of the master account or the main account, or account I missing hyphen account ID unknown argument near. See, these JSON objects, that is so weird. Like, unknown argument, it did the same thing to me before on the other one. And this is weird because it's like it has a comma in the front. So set solution quote solution. Let's look this up. Unknown arguments. It's just so weird that. Okay. Near call contract name, method name, arguments. So this is the contract name, I guess. But really it's a sub account. Can you call the sub account the contract name? I guess you can. So the sub account near call contract name, method name, and then args, which the arguments are passed in a JSON object. I don't know. Let's see here why this is failing. Let's see. So we'll do near CLI unknown arguments. I tried your command. It seems to work. I got different, but I think Expected error. This method can only be called by museum contributor or owner. Maybe the term using is not parsing the quotes or the backslash properly. Thanks for the answer. It must be something with my terminal. You get this error. Oh, maybe. Oh my god. I swear. If it's the terminal. Copy. Is it the way that the terminals? So I can do near login. Okay. Okay. And then. Okay. And then I'll do. It's so weird. Maybe I need to node update. Node JS. Okay. That's it. Let's see. Node version. Node help. Can I update? Okay, so I have two of these open. Node.js update. Oh my god. Using NVM. Do I have to do it with NVM? Okay, yeah. I don't know. We'll just 7, 8, 6, 1, 4. And we're on, this is Node version 6.5. Latest version is 1.4. Oh, I guess that's pretty old. Like, what if I run it in PowerShell? Will that fix it? Huh. Near PS1 cannot be loaded. The file is not digitally signed. You cannot run this script for the current system. Oh my god. Whatever. No. Mm, this is annoying. What terminal are they using? um, I had this problem yesterday. So it's funny that it's come back up again. And this guy has the same issue. Hmm. Don't. Just let that go. Um, uh, I wonder if they have a. Okay, so here's call. Here's the usage. Add message. So none of these have underscores, by the way, which I was kind of confused by because I've seen some where they do have underscores, and it looks like these functions have underscores. So, I think they're taken out for this. And then here, I'm formatting my JSON correctly, I think. Account ID. And it's supposed to take. Maybe if I just use like the basic command line, which I don't want to do. Near login. I mean, I'm glad that this login process is really easy. So that's nice, but I don't like how I can't get this to work. Yeah, it did it again. So I've used 3 different command lines. Like, there's nothing wrong with this, I don't think. Like, why is it parsing it like this? Like, it removes the quotes. It keeps this end quote. Do I need to... And this first part is gone. Unknown argument. So maybe it doesn't understand. It adds a comma in the front here, which is weird. Maybe it's the quotes. It kept those quotes. What if I like do that? No. So, it definitely parses that part out. What if I switch it up? What if I double quote? I know single quotes is like special. Oh. Error occurred. Unexpected token quote in JSON at position 1. Yeah. Yeah, it's like parsing this weird. Scheduling a call. Yeah. And then this thing it doesn't like. So what if I just don't use the single quotes? Unknown argument. Okay, and here it actually... What if I only do this part in single quotes? Okay. Unexpected token S in JSON position 1. That's funny. So it doesn't... But if I do it like that, I get unknown arguments. So, oh, you guys can't see that. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so that's funny. If this is error, syntax error, the S, it doesn't... I mean, JSON.parse. I wonder what the near CLI. So I'm pretty sure... near CLI JSON.parse. Almost done for tonight. I really want to get this figured out. So, heads up. Copying, pasting can be a bit odd in WSL. Quick edit mode. Okay. Update. If an update is available, you'll see it in the terminal. Okay. Let's just... let's see. Okay. Paste. Near version. So I'm on 3.2. Near CLI. 3.2 is the latest. It released on February 11th. That's pretty recently. Let's see the change log. Breaking change added prompt delete key command. Breaking change added prompts to deploy command. Added force. Useful for scripting. Okay. Installed WSL. Oh. Really? We recommend using Windows Subsystem for Linux. Really? I didn't realize that. Mine might be broken because Windows subsystem sucks. Okay, there it goes. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Alright. Okay. We'll just we'll sudo apt it. Sudo apt get install npm. This is stupid. This is weird. This is the first time I've seen the recommendation to use the Windows subsystem. It's kind of annoying, actually. Sudo apt get install or npm install node. Sudo npm install node. Okay. Run this as admin. I can't run it as admin. There's no option to run it as admin. Sudo npm install node. E-access path error. Permission denied. Operation was rejected by your operating system. It's likely you do not have the permission. If you believe this might be a permission error, please check. Try running the command again as root admin. Sudo np install node. I mean, come the fuck on, Windows. Like, how am I supposed to install this? Exit. Sudo apt get install node. npm. Oh my god, Windows. Ubuntu. So I can't npm install node. Can I install anything with npm? Curl. Oh, why is this so slow? Okay. Maybe I should work in a Linux virtual machine. This is so annoying that I have to use the subsystem. I already have all this installed. Why? I wonder if this is what they're recommending. Do you need a Mac to be a Near developer? Man, this is taking forever. Why is this not running? Um, oh. Change npm default directory. This is taking forever. Confirming Focal is supported. Yeah. Install on the command line in your home directory. CD home. I mean, I think, yeah, this is my home directory, right? Okay. Okay. Man, this is taking forever. For sure, it's taking forever. I can't believe that this doesn't work. So this gives me that. I mean, I think it just doesn't, it doesn't like double quotes. So what about JSON quotes Windows, JSON parse CLI quotes Windows? Do I have to? Oh my god, is that really it? That better not be it. I have to cancel these fucking quotes. Do I have to do it for single quotes too? It's funny because see, if I take out the backslashes, the quotes aren't there, but it sees the quotes when I do this. So that's a little bit better, I think. Here Maybe it's the semicolon. No. It sees the semicolon. There's like, it puts a comma here for whatever reason. Now the comma's gone, but it puts a comma in between every item now. Is each space? Oh my god. How does this work on Windows? This is why I hate Windows, honestly. Honestly, this npm install node. Oh my god, it's installing node for me. No such... Whatever. It did it. It did it. So... near CLI. This Windows subsystem is so slow though. I wonder if it can open up a window. I hope it can. We'll keep messing with this. So let's see here. Where was I? I did this backslash thing. So, and here, the first quotes aren't backslashed. And it uses, let's see if that's different. See, here it uses these tags, which makes me think that these need to be... Ah! Oh my god. A different thing. No more quota. Ha ha ha. Too many request errors. Oh my god. Let's see if this disappears after a while. What the timeout is. Near CLI Control V. Let's answer that dude's question too, because I think he search GitHub. I think I solved it. Unknown argument. No, it's not this one. No. No. God, I have too many windows open. That's not it. I think I closed it, but let's I wonder if that goes away. Unknown argument. Copy. Paste. Near CLI. We'll sign in with Google. I'll use this one. Rust near C. I forget what it is. Near protocol stack overflow. What is this tagged as? I don't fucking know. Tags. JavaScript. Oh my god. New to near. Let's do stack overflow. Oh, really? Stack overflow. Near protocol. Okay. Anyways. Here. Near protocol. Yes. Create my account. Okay. Oh, okay. When was this? This was from 16 days ago. Hello. I tried a bunch of things and I saw this AWS post on how to use quotes in the AWS CLI. I noticed I'm using a Windows machine and I was getting the same error. Cut. The same error. I think for Windows you can't use the single quotes and you need to backslash the double quotes. So I know what he's doing. He's doing this call. He's doing this museum thing. So maybe I should give it a try, right? Before I comment, because I think you might need to also you might not need to backslash that, but so you don't do those. You put double quotes, you backslash required arguments account. I did put an account ID in. That's so annoying. But anyways, I hit the enter key by accident because it's right beneath the oh my god, stop it, stop being stupid. Okay, yes, missing argument account ID hyphen. Oh, and that should be a quote. Yes, so too many request errors, no more quota. So maybe I don't have any more money in that. wallet dot near testnet dot wallet dot testnet dot near. Yeah, so I have tons of money. Unsupported engine for near CLI need. That's annoying. I have Node Linux 64 pre-installed. Arch specific package. I don't know. I don't want to fuck with that. I hate this Windows subsystem bullshit. Too many request errors. Let's figure that one out. Maybe I can just let's see. Near CLI. I guess it's not a CLI issue. That's weird that there's no results for that. Google, come on. No results. Wow. Doing account call, too many requests, no more quota. I don't know what that fucking means. I don't know. Let's just make a new account then. Wallet dot testnet dot near. So create new account. We'll do friend dot testnet. Okay, I'm not gonna show you guys my secret. Continue. Copy. Let's see. Crypto wallet. Oop, that's a. Let's see. Near friend dot testnet. Okay, continue. What's word number 2? Okay. It's creating it, so soon we will near dot login or near login, and then we'll use that one. Friend dot testnet. Friend dot testnet is authorized. Failed to verify account ID. No more quota. What? Is this a near CLI thing? Quota? Quota. I don't know. Let's ask the Discord chat. Let's see. This might be too big for people to see, but please help. Hey guys. Hey, new to here. I've been trying to do a call, and I think figured out now my CLI is saying that there's no more quota. I thought it might have been something with my wallet, so I made new one, and when I to add it, it says failed to verify. Before that, I was making my calls, was saying, I wish there. I'll edit this to have these tags. Yeah. Okay. Cool. We'll wait for someone to respond to that. In the meantime, maybe if I change my IP address with Surfshark, maybe because it could be an IP thing. I don't know.